Welcome back to my summer salad series episode 5, and today we are making something fresh, creamy and bursting with flavor. It's my tangy apple macaroni salad. Let's start with the dressing where all the tangy magic happens. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of lemon juice and season it with salt and black pepper. Whisk it until smooth and creamy. Now to the dressing, add 1 cup of boiled macaroni, half a cup of chopped cucumber, half a cup of vibrant bell pepper and half a cup of sweet corn. Next toss in half a cup of juicy chopped apples, quarter cup of finely chopped onions, a quarter cup of chopped pickled cucumbers for that extra bite, and add 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onions to the bowl and gently fold everything together until it's all nicely coated. And there you have it, refreshing, creamy, tangy apple macaroni salad. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below and hit the subscribe button for more easy tasty recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.